The rough and uneven hoof of the old cow tells a story of hardship. A prominent scar runs across the outer side of the hoof. This is an old cow with a history, and the only way to ease its pain is to carefully grind and smooth it down bit by bit. The surface of the hoof is severely worn, and the cow can no longer walk on its own. A preliminary diagnosis suggests hoof-toe necrosis and detachment. The darkened hoof seems to confirm this. Healthy hooves are usually greenish-white. Now we can only hope that the damage hasn't reached the dermis. The grooves are filled with dirt. Given the cow's complex living environment, this was inevitable, and it looks like the entire hoof has been affected. The grinding tool is used to thin the surface a bit to make scraping easier. Now comes the main part, starting with a small knife for the first cut. The moment the blade goes in, my heart sinks. The inside of the hoof is filled with cow dung. Fortunately, the toe layer isn't damaged. Otherwise, fluid would have sprayed out. Although the condition looks severe, it is still manageable. The knife is used to locate the edges of the cavity. As the cavity expands, the affected area grows larger, requiring another cut. The middle section doesn't look good. The interior of the hoof is completely hollow. For a cavity this large to form, it must have taken several months, meaning the old cow has been silently enduring this pain all along. Imagine a grain of sand stuck inside your shoe for months. It would be unbearable. The base of the hoof also has issues, with the hollowing extending there as well. Using the knife for careful exploration, I take the opportunity to install a height-increasing pad on the left hoof. This will prevent the right hoof from bearing weight, allowing it to rest and heal. Now it's time to focus on the right hoof. There is also a growth caused by prolonged external irritation, but it's not a major issue. The heel is trimmed slightly and the treatment is complete. Disinfectant is sprayed to clean the surrounding area. Once dry, an oxygenated powder is applied and the hoof is wrapped in gauze. The rest is left to time for healing. The right hoof will bear no weight for now. Hopefully, the old cow will recover soon.